From the legendary California Dreamin' by the Mamas and the Papas to the Eagles' timeless Hotel California and Katy Perry's modern anthem California Girls, these songs have all succeeded in igniting curiosity and fascination with the iconic state of California. Located along the western coast of the United States, California is not just the most populous state in the country. It represents dreams, ambition, and a lifestyle that captivates the imagination of millions. Often hailed as the land of opportunity, California boasts a stunning Mediterranean climate, breathtaking coastlines, and some of the world's most vibrant cities, such as Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Silicon Valley. The state has long been the epicenter of innovation, home to the entertainment industry in Hollywood and cutting-edge technology in Silicon Valley. In fact, California's economy is so massive that if it were a standalone country, it would rank as the fifth largest in the world, rivaling many major nations. California is home to 482 cities and towns, 460 of which are classified as cities and 22 as towns. Most of these municipalities are concentrated in 5 major metropolitan areas, contributing to the state's dynamic urban landscape. However, despite its wealth and appeal, there's a lesser-known side of California: an alarming homelessness crisis. While the state is synonymous with affluence and glamour, it also faces the largest homelessness challenge in the United States. In the following, we will explore the cities in California with the highest homeless populations, shedding light on the stark realities that exist alongside its prosperity. We begin our journey with Oxnard, ranked 10th in California's homelessness crisis. Nestled in Ventura County, this coastal city is known for its scenic beaches and consistently mild climate. Beyond its natural beauty, Oxnard is a major agricultural hub, renowned for its abundant production of strawberries and other crops. However, beneath this picturesque surface, Oxnard, along with Ventura County, struggles with a significant homelessness problem. Recent estimates show that approximately 2,248 people in the region are living without stable shelter, making it one of the top cities facing this challenge. The contrast in Oxnard is striking. On one hand, pristine beaches and upscale housing, and on the other, many individuals battling to survive on the streets. In response to this growing crisis, local authorities took a critical step by converting the former National Guard Armory into Ventura County's first year-round homeless shelter, which opened on January 29, 2019. This facility provides 24-hour access to meals, shelter, and hygiene services as part of a broader initiative to tackle the homelessness epidemic. Next, we move to Sonoma County, home to the cities of Santa Rosa and Petaluma. Internationally acclaimed for its world-class vineyards and luxury tourism, Sonoma County offers expansive vineyards, picturesque landscapes, and fine dining experiences. Santa Rosa, a gateway to the Redwood National Park, is celebrated for its cultural richness. Yet, despite the affluence and fame associated with Sonoma County, homelessness remains a growing issue. Santa Rosa and Petaluma rank 9th on the list of California cities with the largest homeless populations, with an estimated 2,293 individuals lacking permanent shelter. The situation is particularly dire along Santa Rosa's Joe Rodota Trail, where the county's largest homeless encampment has emerged. This encampment, characterized by unsanitary conditions, garbage, and infestations, houses hundreds of individuals facing severe health and hygiene issues. Efforts to dismantle the encampment have been hindered by legal challenges, as authorities are required to provide alternative shelter options before displacing residents. The homelessness crisis in this region has been exacerbated by soaring housing costs and the devastating wildfires of 2017, which left many without homes. Next on our list is Long Beach, California's 7th most populous city. Known for its bustling port, the scenic Alamitos Beach, and the historic Queen Mary, an ocean liner-turned-tourist attraction, Long Beach is a city that attracts visitors from around the world. Yet, behind the iconic landmarks, Long Beach faces a growing homelessness crisis. In 2022, the city reported 3,296 individuals living without permanent shelter, marking a staggering 62% increase compared to 2020. This dramatic surge has strained local resources, prompting the city to introduce anti-camping ordinances that impose misdemeanor charges on individuals who set up camps in public spaces. While this measure has been criticized for failing to address the root causes of homelessness, Long Beach has also increased funding for motel vouchers and long-term housing solutions. These initiatives aim to balance enforcement with compassionate support, but the challenges remain significant. Riverside, a city rich in culture and history, comes in next. Known for its citrus-growing heritage and the renowned University of California, Riverside, the city draws thousands of students and visitors annually. Riverside is also home to a thriving art scene, centered around the Riverside Art Museum. However, alongside its growth and expansion, the city is grappling with a significant homelessness problem. An estimated 3,316 individuals are living on the streets, revealing deep-rooted issues that Riverside continues to work toward resolving. San Bernardino, located in the Inland Empire Valley, ranks next. Historically a bustling center of transportation and commerce, San Bernardino has faced tremendous hardships in recent years. The city, once prosperous, now battles high poverty rates and complex social issues. San Bernardino is among the poorest cities in the country, with 3 out of 5 residents living below the poverty line. After declaring bankruptcy in 2012, the city faced extreme levels of unemployment, poverty, and homelessness, with an estimated 3,333 individuals living without stable shelter. Despite being located near the picturesque San Bernardino Mountains and expansive desert landscapes, the city's ongoing struggle with homelessness continues to put enormous pressure on social services that are already overstretched. Orange County's neighboring cities of Santa Ana and Anaheim are next on the list. These cities are known for their economic vitality and as major tourist destinations, Anaheim being the home of Disneyland and Santa Ana celebrated for its cultural diversity. However, behind the booming tourism industry, these cities face a sobering reality: homelessness. With a combined total of 5,718 homeless individuals, the contrast between the luxury tourist attractions and the struggles of the homeless population is glaring. A similar paradox exists in Oakland and Berkeley, 2 cities in Alameda County that have long been celebrated for their progressive values, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant art scene. Oakland is renowned for its history of social activism and dynamic music scene, while Berkeley is synonymous with world-class education, home to the University of California, Berkeley. Despite these cities' reputation for forward-thinking policies and innovation, Alameda County is experiencing one of the most severe homelessness crises in the state, with an estimated 4,947 individuals without stable housing. This juxtaposition of progressive ideals and a homelessness epidemic underscores a painful reality. Even regions known for social advancement are struggling to address fundamental housing issues. Silicon Valley's San Jose, a global center of technological innovation, is next on the list. Home to some of the world's largest and most powerful tech companies, San Jose's economy is one of staggering wealth. However, it also has one of the largest homeless populations in California, with 10,028 individuals lacking permanent shelter. The primary driver of this crisis is the skyrocketing cost of living, fueled by the tech boom that has pushed many long-time residents out of the housing market. Despite the city's massive economic power, its prosperity has not translated into accessible housing solutions, leaving many residents behind in a region known for its opportunities. San Diego, often referred to as America's finest city, ranks second on the list. Known for its near-perfect weather, stunning beaches, and world-famous attractions like the San Diego Zoo, San Diego exudes an image of prosperity and luxury. Yet, this image stands in sharp contrast to the city's homelessness crisis. In 2023, the city reported 10,264 individuals living without permanent shelter. San Diego's high cost of living has worsened the issue, and despite efforts to address the problem, it remains one of the city's most pressing challenges. Finally, at the top of the list is Los Angeles, the entertainment capital of the world and the second largest city in the United States. Known for Hollywood and its glamorous lifestyle, Los Angeles represents opportunity and stardom. However, beneath the glamour, the city is facing an unprecedented homelessness crisis, with an estimated 65,858 individuals living without stable housing. Skid Row, a downtown neighborhood known for its dense homeless population, has become a symbol of the city's struggle. This area highlights the failure of containment policies, where homeless individuals are allowed to congregate in specific areas with little long-term support or solutions. As a whole, California is home to nearly 30% of the nation's homeless population, a staggering statistic that reflects deep-rooted structural challenges, including a severe shortage of affordable housing and ineffective policies. Despite significant efforts from both state and local governments, the homelessness crisis remains an overwhelming issue. Addressing this challenge will require a comprehensive, long-term approach that goes beyond temporary solutions and tackles the root causes of homelessness to create lasting, sustainable change.